Hey, all right, welcome back, you guys. We are here at another episode in the shop, and we're working on the V-Strom today. So I have a product today, another one from KEMIMOTO. We are looking at a TPMS. I don't know if you guys know what a TPMS is, but it stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring System. And these guys have sent me a really cool Bluetooth device that we've just put on the V-Strom. And this guy is going to help hook up with the phone, and we're going to be able to figure out our tire pressure most of the time while we're rolling around. So it's a big deal because over time, when your tires get warmed up, the tire changes in pressure. You're going to get more pressure as it warms up, less pressure as it cools off. And so with those things, plus if you're doing any off-roading, you're going to maybe have a puncture that you don't know, and it's going to want to let you know just before you get yourself into some trouble. So we installed the tire pressure system on this guy. I went ahead and installed it up here on the front, which you can see right here. And we installed it on the back right here. So one big advantage is that if you load this guy up full of a bunch of luggage, you're going to end up having a bunch of stuff here that you can't maybe get down in there and check out your system. And a lot of times too, these are in such an awkward spot that you don't have room to get a sensor on there, or at least one of those gauges that stick out. And so that's going to make it really hard to keep your tire pressure on cue. So with this one, we're going to end up using a Bluetooth device, which we'll check out on the phone, and I'll walk you through how that works. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is grab your little manual out of your box that it came with and flip through here a couple pages in, and you're going to find this QR code right there. That's going to get you into the app pretty quick. It's like I said, there's a Android and an iPhone app. So this is what it looks like on my Apple iPhone. This is the KEMIMOTO utilities. Go in there. Once you get it open, you can go in and find where you're going to add your vehicle. And so like we'll go up here to the top because I already added mine. Choose what you're doing, your battery stuff or your air sensor stuff. Go in and you can add either a bike or your four-wheeled whatever you're using. Anyway, so we'll go into here. Here's what I already have. I got the V-Strom TPMS system. Click on it and it's going to open it up. There's all kinds of settings it wants you to do, but we're just doing quick stuff. So right here, there is my tire pressure for the front and for the rear. So for me, I got 40.6 on the rear and 34.8 on the front, and that's what I need. I actually need 35 up there and 41, so that's pretty close. It's going to give me the temperatures as well, and then like I said, it's going to give you an option to go into settings and you can set your alerts. So go into your alerts and you can set wherever you want this to turn on and off for alert if you get below or above whatever tire pressure or whatever temperature you'd like. You can set all your different measurements in case you don't happen to live in America. And that's it. There's voice alerts. It's pretty easy. We're going to do a test ride on it. I want to see how the temperature stuff does. So right now we got 64, 66. It's about reasonable. This one's off the ground right now. One thing I want to make sure I point out, that if any of you guys have one of these 90-degree things and you use it, make sure that you have clearance here and that it passes around and doesn't catch your calipers or any of this stuff. I checked mine and it clears good. So they assemble really well. Other than that, stay tuned here. We're going to do a quick ride. Also, I have a discount code. I got 21% off for you guys. So stay tuned to the end. I'll give you the discount code. All right, let's go ride this thing. All right, well, let's see what we got here. This will be fun. So, made it. Got a decent spot. Let me grab my phone. So, ooh, too high. Okay. So right now I got a red, if you guys can see that. I got a red logo on my rear. So I'm at 98 degrees and I'm too much high air pressure. I set my settings to, let's see here, 44.9 for the rear. So my bike wants me to have 41 at the max in the back. So we will go ahead and set that a little bit. I should find, here we go. Get down in here.
Rear wheel low pressure.
See if I can get my finger in there a little bit. Find a little rock.
Rear wheel low pressure.
There we go. Okay. See if that changes. All right. Now I got 42. That's a little closer. I like that. And we're at 96, so it cooled off. So not too bad. All right, you guys, well, there you go. That was a pretty good test of this product. If you like it, we're gonna give you a discount code. We got MTC21. So go to the description below, go to their website, go pick this up, pick up anything you want. You're gonna get 21% off of your order. So MTC21, check it out. We're gonna keep trying out this product. We're gonna keep testing it out. We're gonna run it on this machine for a while. So stay tuned, and all the other videos, we'll give you an update. And I like it. It's weatherproof, waterproof, IP67, I believe, all the good stuff. So check it out. Go look at all their other products. They got a lot of products. We're going to bring you more stuff from here, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, you be safe out there.